Hello, today I'm going to show you how to use taping to add a clean finish to your garment. So here we can see on this polo, the neck is actually just an overlock stitch that's kind of visible. So in reality, we want to cover this with the taping. All right, so let's go ahead and remove true seams so we can get back to the editing. And now go to your sewing tools. You'll see a new mode in your sewing tools called tape. Select that. And this lets you add a tape on top of any existing edge or interior line. So I'm going to go ahead and add it to my neck here. And I can do the same as multi-sewing. Like that. Release. And now you'll see a taping here at the bottom. So I'll change to my select tool. Let's select that tape. Here I can see all the properties of the tape, including its width, the type of construction that it actually is, how we want the grain line, if we want it applied to the interior of the garment or the exterior. And here we can see the fabric that the tape will be used or will be made in. Just check my body fabric here. This is an interlock, 350 grams. So let's go back to that taping seam. And now let's go into our fabrics. This one. And let's go ahead and add that here. And then we can change to a custom colorway. I think this is the colorway that's being used. But let's see. We'll be able to change color once we add it. So now I just hit drape. And now I can hit true seams. And true seams is when we will actually see the taping. Alright, there it is. And so what I can do is I can also change my stitches here. The easiest thing to do would probably be just select something that's already been stitched, click apply threads to everywhere, and that's going to change the threads here as well in a second. Yep, there you can see them. And then let's go back to our body fabric. We can also click apply to all components or apply to all pieces with this fabric, and that's going to update the tape as well. There you go. And that's it. Taping. You can play around with all of the different properties here if you want to get different results. For instance, making the tape wider, thinner, etc. Perfect. I hope that was helpful.